In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to save and load Dannjs models, which are neural networks. This is very useful when you want to transfer neural networks to another application while conserving the exact same parameters. So let's get started. I actually went ahead and got a head start. I installed all the dependencies, so I installed Dannjs, of course. I also installed fs, which actually lets us write and read files. And now we're going to create an AI to save, right? So I'm going to create nn, and it's going to be a new Dan with 4 inputs and 4 outputs. And we're going to add him a hidden layer like so, with 16 neurons and a tan age activation. And now we're going to make the weights like so. And now we can see if the model is all right. So we're going to log it now, and everything works fine. We have the 3 layers, we have a default learning rate, everything works fine. Now we are going to go ahead and save it. So I'm going to create a data value, and this is going to be the result of the nn2 JSON function. So this function returns an object that you can stringify, so to put it into a JSON object, a JSON file. So like so, and we can console log to see what goes on. JSON. Okay, and now we can see there's a lot of numbers because that's all the parameters, all the information needed to replicate the exact same neural network. So now let's go ahead and write the file. So it's pretty easy with fs. It's write file sync, and we specify the name, so data.json, and we specify the value, JSON, and the encoding, so UTF-8. Now when we run this, it's supposed to create a new file here. Let's go ahead, and it did. So now we have a JSON file with all the important information. We can then go and load it back in. If we comment this out, we can get the same exact neural network. So if I create a data value, which is going to be a JSON parse of the JSON file, so read file sync like so, whoops, and I'm going to read data.json, and I'm going to have UTF-8 encoding. Now let's go and load it into a new AI. So I'm going to new nn, I create new nn, and it's going to be a Dan created from JSON. So create from JSON data, and now let's go ahead and log that new nn, and it should actually be the same exact neural networks. And there we have it. So we have the exact same neural network with the same activation function. It doesn't show it here, but it's actually the same weights, the same biases, everything is identical. You would get the same prediction, you would get everything the same. So there you have it. This is how you save and load Dannjs models for later use. Don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe, comment, and on that note, see you in the next video.